How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Snapchats that are already opened and you want to view it once again. Then you should follow these steps. But before that, make sure you have installed your Snapchat to the latest version and update it also, so that you won't miss out any new features. So if you have already done so, then you can simply open your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, now you can head into the chat section, which is on the down bar. Head into the chat section and you will see all the snaps sent by your Snapchat friends. Now when you tap on the snaps that they have already sent, now you want to view the snap again, then what you can simply do is long press on the snap, and if you want to replay it again, then you can replay it. But if you want to save the snap on the chat and view it again and again, then just tap on save in chat option. This way you have already saved it. Now if you want to unsave it, then you can just tap on the unsave button and just again long press, and when you replay it, you have one more chance to replay it and just tap on this. But sometimes you cannot replay some snaps and still you want to see, then just go on the profile section, your settings section, scroll down and you will tap on my data option. And now here you need to tap your username and password and your data will be downloaded on your Snapchat. And by doing that, you can view the downloaded informations on your Snapchat, like you want to view the chat history, spotlight, everything. Just select what you want to view and tap on the next option and then download it, and then you are done. You can view it on your phone. So yes, that's how you can download your data also and view it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.